Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, kniyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli, ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila ban let puli, da ka education loan, pila ban chukol hau number, kandai nyo, saw, san rio pranon, lani kandai pran rio laisan, an riway kandai pran.
Arngut kinong Shnong jong kashnong Shangpung Mission West Yanti Hills District. Kila Ujor syaka Meghalaya Lokayukta dak bakeno ba kadon gajing penon kam bakalaya ke pisapat ba palamang do Executive Engineer katnat Public Health Engineering RWS JY Division West Yanti Hills District. Banchna ya ka Solid Liquid Waste Management Plan Scheme ha kashnong Shangpung Mission. Ha ka jingekran bakapati CTV ha ka shitarik unailar arajar pulai. U Swapnil Deb ubalong unong ya saat an ulay thu ba yakni kajing ujor la mudoi da uba Kenneth Anderson yakai bat uba daroi ki yakai ki balong kinong shnong jong kashnong mission Shangpung katkum kajing thu jong u Swapnil Deb kani ka scheme balamang da katnat PHE banchna ya ka jaka Pynlang ya ki Ñiut kadai ka bakot hadu khat arlak tengka.
I, on behalf of my clients, Shri Kenneth Anderson Yakai and Daroeki Yakai, who are residents of Shangpung Mission Village in the West Jaintia Hills district, would like to state that there was a scheme for the solid liquid waste management or SLWM, which was floated by the government, and the work order was issued for an amount of rupees 12 lakhs by the executive engineer of the PHE for construction of a community compost tank, a community storage shed and household soak pits in the Shangpung Mission Village for an amount of rupees 12 lakhs, and the work was given to a particular contractor, and the work was supposed to be completed within 60 days, that is by November 2018. However, it appeared that the work was not carried out properly, and as such my clients had filed several RTI applications before the concerned authority to obtain information regarding the said scheme. After obtaining the relevant RTI information, it was found that perhaps the scheme which was sanctioned as per the plans and estimates was not implemented as per the sanctioned plans and estimates, and there may have been some misappropriation of public funds in the said scheme. Therefore, on the basis of the RTI replies and information obtained, my clients had filed a writ petition before the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya under Article 226 of the Indian Constitution, and after hearing the parties at the motion stage, the Honorable High Court was pleased to issue notice to the government respondents, including the Deputy Commissioner, the Executive Engineer of the PHE, as well as the Block Coordinator, as well as to the private respondents, including the Village Committee, as well as the concerned contractor. After issuing the notice, the concerned parties had filed their affidavits. However, after filing of the affidavit, it was noticed that there are certain claims and counterclaims made, and there are certain disputed questions of facts. Now, these disputed questions of facts cannot be properly adjudicated under Article 226 of the Constitution of India by the Honorable High Court, and as such, my clients had prayed before the Honorable High Court to grant them liberty to approach the appropriate forum, which is the Meghalaya Lokayukta, since the matter involves disputed questions of facts, as also there is an allegation of misappropriation of public fund and corruption. Thereafter, vide order dated 26th of July 2023, the matter was withdrawn, and the Honorable High Court was pleased to grant liberty to my clients to approach the competent forum, which is the Meghalaya Lokayukta, and today we are filing the petition before the Honorable Meghalaya Lokayukta in connection with the matter. This work order, which was issued by the Executive Engineer of the PHE, was in fact issued to the in favor of the Village Water and Sanitation Committee of the Shangpung Mission Village, which is headed by its chairman, and this VWSC Committee of Shangpung Village was the implementing agency and the supervising agency for the implementation of the said project, and they have filed the petition before the Lokayukta. The matter was withdrawn from the Honorable Meghalaya High Court because initially the petition was filed under Article 226, and once it was found by my clients, after filing of the affidavits by the state respondents as well as by the private respondents, it was found that there are disputed questions of facts which are involved in the matter, and under Article 226 of the Constitution, the Honorable High Court may not be in a position to determine these disputed questions of facts, and as such the appropriate forum in such a situation, especially considering that there is an allegation of misappropriation of the public fund, the appropriate forum is the Honorable Meghalaya Lokayukta, and hence it was prayed before the Honorable High Court that we may be allowed to withdraw the matter before the High Court, so that we can approach the appropriate forum, which is the Honorable Meghalaya Lokayukta, and thereafter we have filed the petition before the Honorable Lokayukta.